Hello guys, boys and girls, and welcome to part 25 of Cyberpunk 2077. Where did this guy go? Where did this guy go? Vanishing into thin air, like we do it here in the city. Anyhow, so let's get my bike and go to Judy. This is what I want to check on her, like what's going on. I was kind of curious. Yeah, this one. Let's follow this. I like how my bike is like standing casually there, 40 meters away. Okay, it's even farther away than she was like last time. But who cares? Here I go. I wonder if this guy doesn't like feel cold. I mean, he's not really dressed up for cold weather. It's winter outside, so I kind of feel it. He might get sick. We already heard some people coughing in the game. Anyhow, the handling of the bike is much easier than the handling of the car. It responds faster, and it gives you like the feeling that the bike is actually lighter. And there you go, missed the turn. Oh, inconvenient. Don't worry, I'm a pro at driving. You know that, right? If you've seen any of my other parts, you know that already. How good I am at driving. Well, at least in real life, I don't suck that much. I hope. Wet dreams. Well, we do have wet city, so if somebody's dreaming, there you go. Wet dreams. Like, this city is supposed to be like super huge, right? Like, I don't know exactly how many people are supposed to live here. A couple of millions. But right now it's 10:21 p.m. You can actually see it on the, like here, on the lower left corner. 10:22 p.m. and there's like one car. Or two cars. Which is ridiculous. It's kind of ridiculous. It's ridiculous on steroids, basically, if you're wondering about that word. We're getting closer, guys. I love the like oversized bonsais we have on the streets. Very nice. There it is, a missed turn. Probably I can still just go on straight ahead.
V, it's a good thing you answered. I could probably use your help.
Not now.
Probably.
Fine, I could really use your help. Can we meet?
No, not now. Oh, crap! That's it. Of course. Well, no biggie. Just like flew 300 meters and crashed into a wall. My bike exploded.
Just tell me when and where.
You don't know how good it is to hear that. Swing by the old Caldo's camp. I'll explain it all.
The Aldecaldos. Thought you parted ways.
Look, it's a long story. Just hurry over. I'm here.
It's fine.
Got word of a cyber psycho attack, all confirmed. Even reported to MaxTech. Thing is, nobody's gonna show because Militech shut it right down. You ask me, Psycho's gotta be one of theirs. My Eddies are on Lieutenant Mower.
Hang on, gotta go.
Let it go!
Are those guys like super high level and I'm suddenly in a fight that is way above my head?
I
Looks that way, right? Come on, reload. Reload. I don't know if I want to fight those guys.
Oh, this can't be happening!
I feel like I need my good old katana, guys. What do you think? Let me try it. Maybe.
You ask me, Psycho's gotta be one of theirs.
I don't know.
My Eddies are on Lieutenant Mower. Anyway, Corporal's gonna go straight into treatment. So make very, very sure you keep her in one piece.
I don't know. Did I just... She said something about Psycho and this was Psycho, right? Did I just kill my... like, the one I was supposed to protect? Oops. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe that's her. Maybe I should have protected her. Let's run, guys. Nobody saw us. Nobody saw. Let's get rid of our weapon and pretend nothing happened. I'm stuck. How awesome. Wait, meet with Panam. I don't want to meet with... Why? I want to go to Judy's apartment, guys. This is where I was headed. And suddenly stuff happened. Like, my bike seems to be somewhere. I don't know. I want to call my bike. Confirm. Come on, bike. I trust you can do it. Are they gonna attack me? Really? I don't know. What was I supposed to kill those guys? They killed this cop, so I guess we're fine. I didn't just decapitate like two normal citizens. We're fine, guys. We're fine. Come on, get rid of this. Is this my bike? Looks like it. Sorry. Our guy's second attempt to go to Judy's apartment. Maybe we don't really fly off the streets this time. Let's hope for the best. Don't run. I don't know. I'm fine. I'm fine. I haven't really got myself tested, but probably I'm fine. There we go, guys. Entering the premises through this apartment. And I saw something. I need to pick it. Great. Good stuff. That's the good life. Some random magazine there. Wait. Too high. Way too high. Knock knock.
In the bathroom!
Oh, fuck.
Bird offs herself to express her
Stop
undying...
talking.
I was only gone an hour.
Gotta do something with her.
Oh,
Don't want any trouble. I'm calling the badges.
she offed herself. That's not good.
Can you carry her to the bed?
As if that'll change anything.
Not sure we should move her before the badges get here.
She's just another dead whore to them. Nobody will care. Least we can do is treat her with some dignity.
Yeah, alright, let's do it. I had a bad feeling about that, and it appears I was right. But, well... She did it to herself, at
I
least.
need to report an accidental death. North side, Jackson Street. No.
I mean, we did try to save her.
imminent danger. Suicide. No! Today! What part of dead don't you understand? No, she was not pronounced dead by trauma team. If she'd have had coverage, we wouldn't be talking. And fuck you. If you don't want to move your asses, why don't I come down to the precinct and trash it into bits? Now will you come and arrest me, you pussies?
Oh, she's mad. I get it.
Fine, I don't give a fuck what you write me up for. They'll be here soon.
To arrest her and not get her out of here.
Told me to keep her on ice until tomorrow. Can you believe the balls?
Welcome to Night City, where your address says more about you than anything else.
We should have never come here.
Yep.
Put something on her. I'd rather she look like a person than a body. Could you wait outside?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it.
Close the door, V.
Closing the door. I wonder why she wanted to close the door. Is she gonna do something stupid? Probably not.
Bum a cig.
Didn't know you smoked.
Quit. It's been years. But right now I need something besides air in my lungs. Please, V, just one.
Here.
Smoking is bad for you guys. Don't do it.
That was her smoke case.
She smokes some strange boutique brand.
Well, that's Evie. Whenever she pulled on a new face, it was down to the details.
A lot of people know the real Evelyn, who she really was.
No. Nobody.
Not even you?
Fuck, Evie. I let her down. I thought if I gave her some space or time, she'd get back on her feet.
Stay strong,
Let's try to be
Judy.
encouraging,
Don't let
guys.
this tear you down.
She's feeling bad already.
You know what? Let's just not say anything for a minute, okay?
Does this apply to me? Alright.
Her condition, couldn't think about anything else. Tech-wise, she was clean. Doll shard was operational, uncorrupted. So, psychological trauma had to be that. Did some more digging in her virtues, found Woodman.
He kept her. Had his way with her. The things he did. And once he got bored, he pawned her off.
What did Woodman do to her? Did you see it?
Yeah. And I really wish I could unsee it.
I had no idea that guy was such a monster. Saw him as your average tricksy sleazebag.
He puts on a convincing facade. I knew him, but I never thought him that sick in the brain.
Oh, at least we killed him, so...
Gotta be something I can do about it.
Like what?
Don't know yet. Think I'll call Suze. Thanks, V. Sorry, but I'd rather be alone now. Promise to keep in touch.
Sure you don't need anything?
No, but sweet of you to ask.
Anything comes up, holler on the hollow.
Very interesting, guys. I wonder if they're gonna unkill Woodman. Just to have him killed again. Probably by us, because by whom else? Alright, so I feel like I'm gonna up the technical ability ones and reflect. I don't know still about the other ones, but craft clothes gain 2.5% more armor, crafted weapons do more damage. Well, that's maybe nice, right? I wanna go into the crafting business, so... consumables are 25% more effective, allows to craft epic items. I wanna go there. I don't know. I'm not gonna spend the rest of the points just yet. Where's my bike? Let's go in with our main mission. I think this was a small distraction. Bad news there, but what can you do? It's a game after all. Things happen. And off to another ride in Night City, guys. Maybe I should just cut this sequence until we arrive, so that you don't like get to observe my awesome driving skills any more than you have to. Yeah, we're almost there. You guys didn't miss a thing. I basically ran over a pedestrian and that's it. So
I'm in.
Now try to enter the warehouse. I will draw their attention away.
get inside the warehouse. Where was I supposed to like just enter? That sucks. Because I just entered, you know.
I deserve to live.
Not sure about that. Come on. Don't overheat yet. I feel like I should knock out the cameras because I think that they are using those, right? They're hacking me via the cameras. Well, one way or another, I did enter. I don't wanna explode it just yet.
I'm over this shit.
Nice. Can I kill this giant robot with my...
You are an easy target when you step out. Ah, even I see you now.
Can I kill this giant robot with my katana? Let me try. Because why not? Well. Well.
You really?
What? I dropped them?
You are truly bad.
I'm glad to notice that now. I'm glad he noticed. Wait, how do they see me? Flashbang, guys, a flashbang.
Not bad.
Oh, am I like too heavy? No, not yet, not yet. Just collecting some stuff on the fire, like a normal person, right?
Go, go, go!
Now I'm too heavy. Wait, let me just disassemble some of my useless items. So convenient that you can actually disassemble them in combat. Ooh, a tactical shotgun. I like that. Power shotgun. I even have a better version of that. That's quite cool. My pistol is... how much damage does my pistol do? 177. I feel like that there was a better one, right? Where is the better pistol? This one, right? Right, and how about this? There is nothing better than it, I guess. I like it. I like my katana, so I'm gonna keep it for now. Do I have to enter here? Let me just kill those guys, because I can. Or I think I can. I hope I can. If I die, that would be so stupid. Oh, that's not the camera. Who's shooting at me? Where are they? You know, I don't really care. I'm just gonna enter this building. See what happens there. Like, who cares about people?
I'm the largest float. They are controlled from inside. That tech, it could be an ordinary terminal.
Gotcha. I think you do it.
Good. I will reach the control room and make a terrible mess. Very well. I am ready. When you finish, I'll make the system sick.
Alright, those things are locked. So locked. How do I like
Don't break ranks!
get in? Maybe this convenient door over here. Really. We're gonna shoot at the guy with the katana. Didn't you learn anything at game school? That's not how it works. That's not how it works. Let me get some coke here. Bit plunge. I don't know. I see a guy with a sniper rifle maybe shooting at me from far, so this means we have time to read this, The Flowers of Silence, a biography of Hanako Arasaka. Soon enough, however, I lost my original enthusiasm. The people of Arasaka sent me to be interviewed, repeated the same answers to all questions, clearly memorized by heart. After a month of words research, all I had was Hanako Arasaka is the daughter of Saburo Arasaka from his third wife, Michiko. She was born in 1999 in Tokyo and was only left in the city 5 times in her life. Living in cloistered lifestyle, she never fulfilled any important role in the family business. She is very close to Yorinobu Arasaka, the black sheep of the family. Well, I guess we know that much. We knew that much. Who is it? Who is it? Who's hitting me from so far away? Can't even see them.
This can't be happening!
Well, it is happening. Sorry. I'm sorry. It happened already. So my target is 70 meters away in that direction, which means only one thing. Okay, let's check this
Come
out.
on out! You're not in trouble!
What is that? Max Doc MK1. I think this is actually a health, I don't know.
Go, go, go!
I like that, like, you're not in any trouble, and then they shoot at me. Like, yeah, sure. I'm not in any trouble, guys, you are. You are in so much trouble. Way over your head. Let me get some money.
Show yourself, terrorist!
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. 1C, BD, 1C. 1C, right, BD, and 1C. I get this one. Oh, and then 1C again. Nice. I got 2. Oh. There's that. Maybe some light reading on the side. Water, chrome, and blood. The fourth corporate war. Wow, guys, this is super long. As usually corporate wars are supposed to be, I guess. I don't know. If it's a short thing, probably it's not a war. Probably it's just a skirmish or something.
You're only making it worse for yourself.
Nope, I'm not. I'm making it quite worse for you. Well, like the cameras feel like them must be stuff, you know. Oh, I see this ping. Maybe I can get information about it. Alright, so there's there. Terminal. Terminal, 100 meters. I feel a bit duped, you know. I was inside, then I had to go out, then I had to go in again. It's the same entrance, nonetheless.
Go, go, go!
Oh, I could have just jumped through here, you know. I was under the impression this was like off limits.
Shoot!
Ah, come on.
Shoot!
No, don't shoot. It's just me. It's just me. I'm hearing too much. I guess, I don't know. Those guys have like a lot of useless stuff, I get. The good news is that I'm gonna have a lot of materials for upgrades and stuff. The bad news is I have to waste time disassembling them. Like that. Nekotama. Kinda like the Nekotama though. I think my second weapon is a Nekotama. But maybe a better version. I'm a technical sniper. Tech sniper rifle. Yep, this is a better one. Let me see my... This is... Widowmaker. It's not a Nekotama. I guess appropriate name. Come on, don't run away. I feel like the easiest way to kill them is with your katana. It's like ridiculously easy. For some reason. It should have been the hardest way, but somehow it's the easiest. Not sure why. Probably I'm that good at sword fighting. No, just kidding. I suck.
Surrender!
But so do they. You know. I saw someone here. Let's get in here and heal, guys. What are you looking at?
You think you stand?
Oh.
He's wounded!
No, I'm not. I heal that fast. I have a good metabolism. And some wonder for drugs as well, I guess. There we go, a headshot.
Taking heavy losses!
Yes, you are. Here he comes. Be afraid of me. Oh, I guess that guy is not afraid of anything anymore. He's just a goner. I like how it just like, I'm chill,
Okay.
but I'm
Both
burning.
sides to do with as we please. You can fly to Tokyo if you want.
I just may do that. Good work. Now it is my turn. Can you see? Terrible chaos. Even the roof is slowly. V, the roof. That is your will. There are buildings around. Smaller ones. Use them to come down. V, you must hurry. An Arasaka AV approaches.
Alright, I must hurry. For some reason. I'm already done. I have to go here, I guess. There are some crates which are conveniently placed here for me to use. And climb. How cute, right? There we go.
Fucking worked.
Excellent work, V.
Okay, what now?
Now we retreat into the shadows and arm ourselves with patience.
Let me retreat
I
into
will
the shadows.
contact you before the parade. Until
Yeah.
then, try not to get into any more trouble.
As if I wasn't in enough already.
Guys, there are no shadows here. What do I do? What do I do? No, just kidding. Just kidding. Let me just get out of here. Pretend this never happened. What happened? Did I die? I didn't die. That's nice. That's a bonus. I didn't die by some random fall. How cool is that? I'm still in combat though. Let me get out of here. And that's it. I'm out of combat, guys. So that's it for this episode. We did talk to Judy. We saw that Evelyn kind of offed herself, which was a bummer, but I guess it was bound to happen. And we did this job for Takemura. Killed a bunch of people. Now we're casually walking down the street like nothing happened. Like nothing happened. So see you guys next time. Take care, stay safe, have a good night, have a good day, and for some of you, good morning. Let me look at this guy first. Let me look at him.
I don't do small talk. Go find someone else.
He doesn't do small talk. I'm gonna probably not find someone else. I'm gonna end this video now. Bye bye.